Hi, and welcome back to Conquer. So today we are going to do all standing upper body. So we have arms and back, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. I will be using one set of 8-pound dumbbells. Make sure you stay hydrated and that you're also breathing at all times. So today I want you to pay attention to your form, and I will be talking throughout the video about forms, so giving you some tidbits on that. And then also, I've had several people ask me about motivation. Wow, that's such a hard thing. I guess my advice to you would be show up. I'm going to do 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. If you're just starting out working out, set a time of day that's convenient for you. Show up for that workout, even if it's not a great workout. If you can only do 20 seconds of the move, do 20 seconds. What you don't want to be is super sore the next day. And also you don't want to be hard on yourself. To learn the way your body moves with these moves and to target those muscles is not an easy thing. It's a learning process. So give yourself a lot of grace. Just be proud that you showed up and you did even half the workout. So that's my advice for you today. Let's get started. I'll see you on the other side of this. Let's conquer it. So we're going to start out with bicep curls today. I want you to make sure that you inhale when you curl and then you exhale when you're lower. We're going to do 4 curls, full range of motion, and then we're going to do 4 half curls. And then we're going to repeat that for the whole 45 seconds. Make sure that your palms are facing up. You really are bracing that core and your shoulders are back. Open up that chest. And you really want your elbows a little bit further away from your waist so you can get that full range of motion. So with this upright row, once again, your chest is open, you're really bracing that core. I want you leading with your elbows, pulling with your shoulders, and not with your wrist.
'Cause I promise you, you're always on my mind. Have you seen that one element, the key to be free, yeah? Change up the moments, feel the wind blowing, just go back to one, all again. Wake up from your dreams, yeah. Pick up yourself, make a run. Tell me that you love again. Can't lock it in, just want your original. You're mine. Can I be your only one?
Perfect. Next up, we're going to do another upright row. We're going to lower nice and slow. And as we get to the bottom, we're going to go up into a V raise, bring it back down. Let's get started.
And I don't mind. Did I tell you really want you to know? Then 지금 me, I guarantee you'll be alright. Have I seen the one element? Yes, what you mean? 'Cause I'm one of it. 'Cause I know as a ring to it, and no one on team, and it's true with that you love again. Can't lock it in. Just want your original. You're mine. Can I be?
Okay, so coming up, we're going to have alternating tricep extensions. So go ahead and get soft knees, hip hinge, bring those elbows back. So you're going to exhale to extend, inhale to lower.
Just tell me what you need. Tell me all that
Really give that a little squeeze back there. Hone in on that dumbbell.
I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. You want it harder. I can see you want, I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me.
I'm gonna have a nice flat back. So for our next move, we're gonna open up the chest, really brace in the core. We're gonna do hammer curls, bringing it up, single punch out, in, lower, alternating, repeat. Perfect. So our next move coming up, we have an overhead press. Take your dumbbells up by your ears. You want your shoulders back and down, really bracing the core. We're going to take it up with an exhale. Inhale to lower with a press back, a little pulse back. You want a nice long flat back here. Really brace your core. Perfect. We're going to go into a single arm fly. So I want you to have soft knees, hip hinge. You want a nice flat back. Pull that core in. You're going to exhale to lift. Squeeze right behind that shoulder blade and lower. You don't want to swing this dumbbell. You are in total control over it. Perfect. We're going to go to the other side. Remember, when you hip hinge, soft knees. You're going to exhale to lift, inhale to lower.
What's left of my heart? I loved and I lost.
Perfect. Next up, we've got an overhead tricep extension. Really brace that core. You want your elbows out in front. We're going to take it down, halfway, down, and up. brace the burn here.
Feeling lonely was on. Now I can't keep it together.
Next up, we're gonna have a bicep curl pulse. So you're gonna pulse on the way up, pulse on the way down. Really make sure that core is braced. So next up, we're gonna have a narrow overhead press. So bring the dumbbells out, bring them in. You're gonna punch up to the sky, lower it back down nice and slow, alternating. Once again, you want a flat, long back here, bracing that core. Remember your breath work. Breathe.
Trust me, what about it? 'Cause I promise you, you're always on my mind. Have you seen that one element? The key to be free, yeah. Change up the moments, feel the wind blowing. Just go back to one, all again. Wake up from your dreams, yeah. Pick up yourself, make a run. Tell me that you love again. Can't lock it in, just want your original. You're mine, can I be your only one? 'Cause I never
So next up, we're going to have a front lateral raise. So you're gonna bring it up in the front, really bracing your core, flat back once again. And then we're gonna go up into a V and lowering it back down.
tell me all that you know. I can see you want, I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. Oh no, I can see you want, I can see you want, baby. I can see you want it from me. 아직까지는 듯한 위험은 always to know your flaws and I don't mind. Did I tell you really want you to know that 너 지금이야, I guarantee you'll be alright. Have I seen the one element? Yes, what you mean, 'cause I'm one of it. 'Cause I'm as a ring to it, and no one on team, and it's true with that you love again. Can't lock it in, just want your original. You're mine, can I be your only one? 'Cause I'll never let go. Just tell me what you need.
So that concludes today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below. Let me know what your favorite exercise move was today. I'll see you back next time. We conquered it.